Namuhla sina Gogo. Gogo uyapheka. Gogo uyapheka. Yini lokho? Gogo phekani?
Ngenda incheke.
Incheke.
Lithanga leli. Then ngipheka incheke.
Incheke.
Nyalo nje ngiyayenda lana. Tintsanga tayo nathi lentikhiphe la khathi.
Okay, sicela kubona le tintsanga Gogo. Yini lokho ma-seeds?
Ma-seeds, yes.
Oh, seeds.
Lelo hlanyela kona bese kuphuma lelithanga ke leli lelikhulu elikanje.
Gogo, so one of these becomes one big pumpkin.
Yes.
Wow.
Which means nje njobe kukuningi kangaka, it's a pumpkin, a pumpkin, a pumpkin, a pumpkin. Kanjalo nanga nemaselwa.
Emaselwa. Liselwa. 1 2 3. Emaselwa. Wow, Gogo. Manje yini lokho Gogo wendani? What are you doing Gogo?
Lokhu nyalo ngikhipha lokhu. Okay, you can eat ungakudla uma ufuna but nje angikuthanzi mina ngiyakhipha.
Okay, so you're removing this part.
The inside part.
Oh, okay. How ufaka phi?
Ufaka lapha.
Ufaka kuphi Gogo la?
Utobona libhodo leli.
Wow, this is a pot. Libhodo. Libhodo. 3-legged pot. Why 3? Oh, not 3. 3 legs.
Because it had got 3 legs.
3 legs. Wow, look at that. 3 legs on this pot. This is a 3-legged pot. Wow. Look at those pumpkins. Wow, this is how Gogo, this is how you eat pumpkins in Swaziland. Eswatini, this is what you do. Wow, Gogo. Wow. Pumpkins. Yeah. Okay. We need this is another Halloween. This is another Halloween pumpkins. Gogo, in Swaziland, do you use pumpkins for decorations?
Yeah.
Oh, this one is rotten. Sometimes you open and it's rotten. Libolile.
But outside it look really right. Pakati aliko right.
Oh, you couldn't tell. What's it Gogo begangade could see this pumpkin is rotten because outside it looked good.
But
inside it's rotten. Oh. You know Gogo, loko ngikhumbula Sathane usipha tipho letinhle but ngekhathi it's rotten. Ngeke kufanele singamthembi. Yeah.
Same.
Yeah, usipha tipho as if they are going to be good.
Tinhle but inside dimbi.
Yes.
Kuyafanana nakusathana oba nasathana uletha tinto takhe ungathi dinhle kanti yimbi. Same naloku kuqhamuka la ngaphandle kwangathi kuhle nakubuka la ngaphandle ngathi likahle but inside kubolile nasathane wenta kanjalo ke edimpilweni tethu lento uyayithatha ingathi kahle but nasisekhathi kuwe bese yakujikela seyiyativeta kuthi yona it is not good for wena ukuthi
Okay. Thank you, Gogo. Thank you for teaching us about pumpkins. Are you going to cook the pumpkin?
Yes, I'm going to cook it.
Siyabonga Gogo. Okay. Bye-bye.